Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to be talking about Web3 and what is the difference between Web 1 to Web 2 to Web 3. So I'll give you a small explanation of each one so we will understand the difference and we will understand the concept of Web 3 better. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Once again guys, thank you for joining my video and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. Also don't forget about my giveaway where I'm giving away 1 Solana and 1 Axie Infinity to one random person who will subscribe to my channel and comment another video which I will attach up here or down in the description. It takes only 20 seconds and all you have to do is these 2 actions, which is extremely easy for you to win up to $200 with the price of Solana and Axie Infinity together. So guys, let's come back to our topic and talk about Web3. This is really important topic because we're going from Web 2 slowly entering the Web 3, so you should understand the concept from the beginning. So World Wide Web is the primary tool used by billions of people to share, read and write information, to interact with other people in the internet. World Wide Web made much progress from 30 years ago to now. So let's start from Web 1. Web 1 was the first generation of the World Wide Web, also referred to as the read-only web. Web 1 began as an information place for businesses to broadcast their information and only allowed people or users to search for information and read it. So the first version of the Web 1, also referred as read-only web, in 1990 to 2000, where the role of user is limited to reading information provided by the content producers. Web 1 didn't have algorithms to sift internet pages, which made it extremely hard for users to find relevant information. So the Web 2, from other hand, also referred as social web or read-write web, as the era of 2000 to 2010 and continues even now, which facilitates interaction between web users and websites, which in turn allows users to communicate with other users. In this era, every user can be a content producer and content is distributed and shared between sites. Some of the famous Web 2 applications are Facebook, YouTube and Twitter, of course. So we are close to understand what is Web 3. So Web 3 definition can be explained as follows. Data will be interconnected in a decentralized way, which will be a huge leap forward to our current generation of the internet, which is Web 2, where data is mostly stored in centralized internet. So instead of code being written and controlled by a small group of experts, it was developed in full view of everyone, encouraging maximum participation. Web 3 is the latest internet technology that leverages machine learning, artificial intelligence and blockchain to achieve real-world human communication. But they will be compensated for the time spent on the web. So Web3, cryptocurrency, blockchain and how it is connected. Because Web3 networks will operate on decentralized protocols, the building blocks of the blockchain and crypto technology, we may expect a substantial interaction between these 3 technologies. We've seen how blockchain technology, specifically NFTs, can enable people to participate in virtual worlds like the metaverse. So that's the concept of Web 3. So let's recall that Web 1 is a read-only web where people can read information written on websites. Web 2 is a read-write web where people can read and write content on the websites and applications. And Web 3 is a read-write interact web where people can also interact and be part of the community. So I hope this explanation was really simple for you and video was really informative. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment it and like. I will be so happy to see your comment down below my video and I'll see you in my next one.